Welcome to the Bike Buzzin' channel, Gearheads. Today we're diving into the world of custom motorcycles, and we have something truly exciting to talk about: the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. Whether you're a die-hard Honda fan or just love choppers, this machine is sure to turn heads. Let's get into it. A new era for the Honda Fury. The Honda Fury has been a fan favorite since its debut in 2010, blending sleek chopper style with Honda's renowned reliability and engineering. Fast forward to 2025, and Honda has refined this already impressive bike to new levels of performance, aesthetics, and comfort. For 2025, the Fury stands as a stunning example of what happens when you take a timeless chopper design and upgrade it with modern tech, design, and aesthetics. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Honda Fury is its jaw-dropping design. Honda has taken the classic chopper silhouette and enhanced it with aggressive lines, a longer rake, and a beautifully elongated frame. The extended fork, flowing fuel tank, and deep custom paint options give the bike that perfect, laid-back chopper look, while the large 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel add a touch of muscle. The bike's low-slung profile, paired with its stretched-out design, ensures it stands out whether it's parked or cruising down the road. The 2025 model also offers premium finishes, from chrome accents to a slick blacked-out version for those who want something more minimalist. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Fury is powered by a 312cc V-twin engine that delivers plenty of torque for those long, open-road rides. Honda's fuel injection system ensures smooth, responsive throttle control, while the 5-speed transmission helps maintain a steady pace whether you're cruising or accelerating. This new version has been tuned for a bit more power, offering better throttle response and a more satisfying ride compared to its predecessors. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising down the highway, the Fury offers the right balance of power and control for every rider. Comfort and handling. Now, let's talk comfort. While choppers are typically all about style, the 2025 Honda Fury doesn't skimp on rider comfort. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, and the adjustable suspension allows you to tailor the ride to your liking. Honda has also made improvements to the handling, with updated front and rear suspension systems that offer better shock absorption and stability. Whether you're navigating through tight city streets or cruising along winding highways, the Fury offers a smooth, enjoyable ride. Customization and features. One of the standout features of the 2025 Fury is its endless customization options. The chopper culture has always been about personal expression, and Honda gives riders the tools to make their Fury truly their own. From custom exhausts to specialty handlebars and wheels, you can make this bike as unique as your style. The 2025 model also comes equipped with modern tech like LED lighting, a digital display, and Bluetooth connectivity for an upgraded riding experience. The bike retains a classic chopper look while giving you the conveniences of a modern motorcycle. Occlusion. To sum it up, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper is an absolute work of art. It delivers a perfect blend of retro styling and modern performance, with enough power and comfort to keep both casual riders and chopper enthusiasts happy. Whether you're looking for a bike that stands out or one that delivers thrilling rides, the Fury should definitely be on your radar for 2025. Thanks for watching. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below letting us know your thoughts on the new Honda Fury. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.